Whoa! Yo, look. Okay, okay, okay. Yo! What's up, my beautiful people? I hope everyone is doing great. I hope everyone is having a fantastic week. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, guys, today we're featuring someone new who I have no ideas about, and to be honest, I'm not really sure if these people get any playtime in Jamaica. To be honest, it's my very first time hearing of these people, right? So right now I'll be reacting to Tammy and Pamela, Peso, Pluma, Kenia, OS. It's my first time, guys. To be honest, so I need you guys to take your time with me, and I hope you guys enjoy the reaction. And furthermore, if you guys hear a lot of screams, don't mess up, because I scream a lot in my reactions, especially if the songs sound really good. Because in Jamaica, what we do is that if the music really hits differently, we scream and we make a lot of noise. So just be aware of that, guys. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are a returning viewer, welcome back to my channel. So guys, without further ado, let's hear these two people for the first time. That's an old cassette. Oh, wow, it's not in English, bro. It's not in English. Well, English or not, I'm a big fan of music, right? And if I do like the instrument or the music or the artist, I will partake. You understand? Because the reason why I stop by here, it's because I love to hear different caliber music and how people put their music together, and the instrumental, the beat, the sounds, everything that should take part in the music. And that's the reason why I'm here listening this track. So The girl is gorgeous. The girl is even sexier on that bike. Wow. To be honest, I like a chick who can ride bike. I like a chick who's very good at bike riding. To see a female who's sitting there on a bike with her cute little butt cheeks out, bro, I admire that momentum. And furthermore, she can sing really good, bro. Even though I'm not understanding what is being said here, but to be honest, I feel this music. Yo, this entire video is freaking phenomenal. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Wow. The black and white, bro. The entire video. Bro, it's my first time and I'm loving it. This isn't a disappointment, bro. Trust me on that. Trust me on that. Bah, bah, bah. She is good in that red dress. She looks really beautiful in that red dress. And her blonde hair, that is one of the most incredible things I've seen since 2024. I've seen a lot of females in my country that contains a lot of fake hair, but this seems as if it's her authentic hair and she looks really gorgeous. And compliment on my G here, he looks amazing in that clothing. I gotta say, for me, if I'm grading both of these artists, it's a solid. Whoa! Yo, look. Okay. What? Yo, look at her, bro. Just look at this female in the red dress. She's sexy as fuck, bro. Oh my god, she's sexy. Ain't no way. She's freaking sexy, bro. Yo, I think I'm in love, bro. Oh wow. Whoa, I think I'm having a crush now. is one of the best I've seen since 2024, and my first try was incredible. Wow, I enjoyed it. Guys, look, if you guys did and truly enjoy this reaction, leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. If you guys have any suggestions that you guys would like me to check out next, feel free to do so. I'll be happy to give my 2 cents on it. So I'll see you guys in the next suggested video.